Today's Mindful Minutes is called Bubble Thoughts. Sometimes the thoughts in our head feel like bubbles all around, and we can use our brain to pop those thoughts and clear our mind. Sometimes the thoughts in our brain are like this. There's just one, and it's pretty easy to focus. Sometimes the thoughts in our brain are like this. There's a bunch of them, and it gets a little harder to focus. And sometimes the thoughts in our brain are like this. There's so many, it makes it so hard to focus. We can't even see clearly. We can use bubble thoughts to clear our minds. Picture every thought in your head turning into a bubble. It could be, I miss my friends. I want to go somewhere. I'm excited about summer. After you picture your thoughts turning into bubbles, you can take your finger and pop them. As you think of your thoughts and pop them with your finger, picture clearing your mind. That's today's Mindful Minutes called Bubble Thoughts.
Keep watching for the bubble recipes used in this video.
These are our bubbles made with soap and sugar and water. You take them, you mix them together. You can use a bubble wand or a pipe cleaner. For the second bubbles, I just used some bubble solution. For the big thought bubbles, I took a water bottle and I cut off the end. Then I put a sock over it, and all I mixed was water and soap. This also helps with taking deep breaths. Popping our thoughts like bubbles can help us clear our brain. Remember, we have our mindfulness menu full of so many different things you can try. Remember, not everything will work for everyone, and you've got to find what works for you. You can ask for this from your teacher in email or picture form. Bye, penguins!